Welcome back. Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Darcie Gallagher about spring gardening. And now Darcie is back with a recipe to share. Karen is standing by now with more.
All right, Darcie loves to garden. We were talking about that in our last segment. And so you wanted to create something that was healthy and with items that you could use from your garden, right?
Yep, absolutely. So we're just doing a ranch dip. It's very, very simple. We do 2 cups of sour cream. I prefer a light sour cream. And then a lot of these spices you probably have on hand. Another alternative would be a ranch packet. But if you're in a bind, you can kind of make it work. And it's just very simple. Like I said, 2 cups sour cream, and then a teaspoon of parsley, dill, onion powder, garlic powder, and then salt.
Okay, and where did you find this recipe?
It's actually a Pinterest one. That's why I was trying to find something a little more flexible for an alternative if you did have these ingredients on hand.
Okay, and we do have that recipe posted on our Facebook page if you want to copy it down. So show us how you mix it up. And
very simple. Make sure it's mixed really well. I know ranch seasoning can be kind of strong sometimes.
Yeah, right.
So even if you want to do half and then always add more, I think that's a great option as well. So it will refrigerate up to about a week. You know, dairy gets kind of hinky. You want to be cognizant of those. So
this would be something great to take to a party, perhaps.
Yep, a dip, another field meal as well. When you have these on hand and you want to be a little healthier, we can do that.
Okay, perfect. We're looking at the ingredients here now on the screen. And so just mix it up well. You can smell it.
It's strong. Yep, you definitely get the garlic and onion powder smell.
I think it's fun, though, to create it from scratch instead of going out and getting a packet.
Yep,
so perfect. All right, and then you can just use carrots or whatever kind of vegetables you want, right?
Yep, and chips, wings, very flexible.
That's really good, Darcie. Yeah, very, very good. Cool. So let's talk a little bit more about your garden. Do you plant like carrots? I mean, do you go all out with a lot of these vegetables?
A little bit of everything. I don't personally prefer carrots. I always kind of joke and I think they taste like dirt. I haven't been able to do that successfully yet, but I do a variety of peppers, zucchinis, pretty much the color of the rainbow.
All right. So you have a huge space for your garden?
Yep. I've got a 90 by 40, and then some of my flowers are spread out through our acreage as well.
Wow. Okay, cool. Well, if you would like this recipe for the ranch dip, it's really good. It's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, also on my personal Facebook page. Darcie, thanks for sharing that today.
Yep, thanks.
Okay, back to you, John.